Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entry App. My name is Akash Shukla, your quantitative aptitude educator at Entry App. So guys, there are various questions regarding IBPS Clerk 2021 notification and I'll be replying your all question in this video. You guys are asking, sir, this exam has been postponed or not? What will be the new dates? So I'll be replying all your doubts in this video. So guys, please like the video and subscribe to the channel also. So let me tell you what I'm gonna tell you in this video. Is IBPS Clerk 2021 exam postponed or cancelled? So I'll be replying your doubts. Number of vacancies will be increased or decreased this time. Okay, what will be the date of exam and new notification, guys? Will there be the new notification or the previous one notification will be valid for IBPS Clerk 2021? Okay, so this is also a big question. What we should do right now? So guys, you all know that ki IBPS has released IBPS Clerk 2021 notification with 5,800 plus vacancies almost. Okay, but government has hold this notification just because of the language issue, and government has made a committee that will be submitting its report regarding the language, like in how many language this IBPS Clerk 2021 exam can be conducted. Okay, so this is very suitable for the regional language basically. So guys, and that committee has told us that it will be taking like around 15 to 20 days for submitting its report. But guys, these are the government norms, these are the government work. Nobody knows ki in the coming 15 to 20 days will that committee submit its reports definitely or not. So we don't know about that. So let us see ki what are the expectations, guys. So first of all, let me tell you, is IBPS Clerk 2021 exam postponed or cancelled? So guys, there are two words, postponed and cancelled, and there are big difference in between postponed and cancelled. IBPS Clerk 2021 exam has been postponed, not cancelled, guys. Okay, so कोई भी सवाल नहीं उठता कि कैंसिल हुआ है नहीं हुआ, ये पोस्टपोन्ड हुआ है गाइस. ओके, आई होप कि आपके सब क्लियर हो गया होगा कि एग्जाम पोस्टपोन्ड हुआ है. नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसी विल बी इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज. सो गाइस, लेट मी टेल यू कि IBPS has to release new notification right now. Okay, new notification, because it is not possible कि वो पहले वाला जो नोटिफिकेशन है उसी नोटिफिकेशन पर अपना एग्जाम कंडक्ट कराए या फिर वैकेंसी वगैरह वही दे, तो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो गाइस, न्यू नोटिफिकेशन IBPS हैज टू रिलीज, and what you saw in the previous notification or the old notification कि various banks were there where NR was mentioned. So guys, what is the means of NR? No reported. Not reported means various banks are there that did not report regarding the vacancies they have, and in the coming time they will be reporting the vacancies. So it is highly chances that you may have the vacancies this time 6,000 plus in the new notification. Yes guys, and more than that also, because definitely bank will be submitting the number of vacancies they have in the coming time to the IBPS. So definitely IBPS 2021 new notification will come with the new vacancies, new number of vacancies as well. Okay, so this is the answer of this question, guys. And what will be the date of exam and notification? To answer this doubt, guys, I have to look on IBPS calendar 2021 first. So we all know that ki IBPS has already released IBPS calendar 2021 and all things were happening according to the calendar except IBPS Clerk 2021. So RRB PO and RRB Clerk exams are on time. ठीक है. So in August, guys, it is not possible to conduct IBPS Clerk 2021 obviously. So August, September, October and November. So these are the 4 months, coming 4 months. So let's take the coming 4 months. In September, is it possible to conduct IBPS Clerk 2021? So guys, let us see ki what are the weekends of September booked by IBPS for the exam conduction. So here you can see 25 September and guys 4th and 5th September. So these were for the IBPS clerk. IBPS clerk was supposed to be held in last week of August and first week of September, but it will not be happening. Why it will not be happening? Because this is July end already, guys, and in the coming month that committee will be submitting its report in the August month. And guys, if it will submit its report, so guys definitely ये सब गवर्नमेंट के काम है, तो आपको पता है गवर्नमेंट के काम, गवर्नमेंट तो डेफिनेटली टाइम लेती है. ठीक है, और ये जो भी एग्जाम की डेट होगी या नोटिफिकेशन की डेट होगी, इट कंप्लीटली डिपेंड ऑन दैट कमेटी. It completely depends on that committee that will be forming the report and submitting its report to the government. ये completely उस पर depend है. ठीक है। अगर वो रिपोर्ट सबमिट कर देती है 15 से 20 दिन में, ठीक है, तो सितंबर लास्ट में थोड़े से चांसेस बन जाते हैं, थोड़े से चांसेस बन जाते हैं एग्जाम कंडक्शन के। पर लेकिन आप खुद सोचिए, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल कि विद इन अ 1 or 1.5 month गाइज IBPS will release new notification with new number of vacancy, with new dates, okay, and you know new exam conduction as well. So it is not possible to do all these things in 1.5 month. And guys, now let us take, so September it is not possible, ठीक है, just less chances are there in September, but no high chances are not there in September. Let us take an example for October month. So guys, here you can see IBPS PO exam is scheduled for the October month, and IBPS PO will not be postponed because there is no any language issue in the PO level post, guys. So definitely IBPS PO exam will happen on time, guys. You guys were asking regarding IBPS PO exam as well. So now I'm thinking you got your answer कि IBPS PO exam will happen on time. Okay. And guys, so definitely October month is not possible. So is there any possibility in the November month? Yes guys, November month we can see ki what is the exam is there in the November month. So guys, according to me, I can't see any exam in the November month except mains examination for IBPS PO. So definitely there are high chances that IBPS will conduct your IBPS clerk 2021, IBPS clerk 2021 in नवंबर मंथ एंड लेस चांसेस इन सितंबर मंथ। सो गाइस, यू नो ये गवर्नमेंट के काम है, तो हमें क्या हाईएस्ट पॉसिबिलिटी लेनी पड़ेगी, हमें हाईएस्ट नंबर्स ऑफ डेज लेने पड़ेंगे। सो गाइस, नवंबर मंथ इज द हाई चांसेस टू कंडक्ट IBPS क्लर्क 2021। अगर नवंबर मंथ है तो ऑब्वियसली उसके लगभग 2 महीने पहले आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन होना चाहिए। सो अराउंड सितंबर यू विल हैव द नोटिफिकेशन गाइस। अराउंड सितंबर मंथ, सितंबर के लास्ट वीक हो या मिड सितंबर हो, यू विल हैव द न्यू नोटिफिकेशन विद द न्यू नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसी विद द न्यू डेट एज वेल। ठीक है गाइस, सो दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू टेल यू इन दिस वीडियो। सो अभी आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन योर IRB PO एंड IRB क्लर्क एग्जाम, नथिंग एल्स, बिकॉज IBPS क्लर्क एग्जाम्स, if we talk about the IBPS clerk exam conduction or the so less chances in September month but high chances in November month. Yes, we can also see a small impact on SBI PO 2021 exam as well. So we'll be talking about that in another video guys, but this is for as of now this is sufficient to discuss ki what about the IBPS clerk 2021 notification. I hope you got all the answers of your all the questions guys. So this is Akash Shukla signing off, and good luck for the exam guys. Please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel also. Thank you very much guys.